And we have another, this is a prank, another bag instead of, all right, we got another bag. Who's calling? You are a boxer, find your speed. Cool, check it out. All right, so let's open it up. And, oh, that was easy. Also, they're gonna get good review for packaging because I literally had to just pop it open and voila. It's stuck. Don't need that anymore. Like, oh, it also comes with user manual. So taking a good look at it. No, stop it. Yogurt, stop. Sit down. So getting a good look at it. Oh my goodness. So getting a good look at it, we've got some writing on it. It says, create the sound of power. Not too heavy. Super, it feels durable. Feels super durable. Let's test it out. Mine, it's mine. I better watch out, not leave this anywhere or else he will turn into a chew toy. So basically the idea is that with kinetic energy, what? This is constantly moving when you're